Ebode mutabetata ne la emi wato tanka na begbiya cice jemiya ezeje esa na de kakumtin ge kacho a citin ga da kuemi mota ka citina cin wazaji na da sashi ne dokuna raya ji cicibo sashi adi shanye ba a cibe kwalo asibiti ya eje kacha bi asibiti ya Federal Medical Center FMC Bida to Umaru Sanda Hospital na Bida wannan gasa da gwamnati yake Niger State bani be wafin be memba na gina Bida ba ko shafira constituency na Honorable Said Musa Abdu to zaji be gabe Allah ya wuce ya zanan naji amma biya cin aleke lafiya daga faci haji no zanan mashi zanan yi be na gasa da banjiren wace ko shawara ya ce tiye tun pataki ji wato tuno wacin no Dr. Murtala Muhammad Bagana la bici shi zanan yido bi asibiti FMC Bida bana be cin gunci ne idan yi ba ena na tiye ya sai bo mota na biya mi na wannan kanga a cikin gunci na ile zona Allah ya ratwa ji ya kaka ina gwamnati na jenu cin burba guga Allah ya na beto cigbe na ji Allah ya kaka ina a cike ku gunci na ji ba ni na ga Allah sacha ja ku baraya da asibitin wuci ko da ce ji Abuja na ke asibiti National Hospital gwagwala da Abuja na Federal Medical Center Jabi Abuja to National Point Center na ci Abuja na
a tsari na diana wa fi enadi ma e pakao ngabo waliyo amma an yi ba wato nimbo to nye pa ne ji amfani bai yi na a da level na ga tun ya lalada ba na asibiti na diga ward theater ya zai shiga dinana ga cinana za e shi be guta na ku biya wani na e ba bon na dina fata we 70% and above. Zando shi so 100%. Zando mai waya na gigana. Kacha ni ga ko ya manager wa abaya amma ga the center na alalaci cigan zando daga de ina dina mutu bena which is available in Abuja National Hospital, General Teaching Hospital, Wagolada, FMC Jabi, ngai dalili na igaza na ji ala kwa da bana ade kia na standard na.
Gwamnati yake Niger State zane yutumbe da nan na mamini abo to pamse kan ga lafiya tsaji Dr. Imam Abdullahi da mini abo nan asan zane na jitu a tilatula ya gi labari kakan etiye na gwamnati da nin bona abe wona jala zumutu biya wona luar miliyon go to zumutu kakan asibiti nan.
This is a tragic and painful loss for our dear state. I am leading a delegation directly under the instruction of His Excellency, the Governor of Niger State, to assess the situation firsthand, visit the victims and ensure that the state government provide the immediate response that we are currently seeing. A comprehensive medical coverage and specialist evacuation is ongoing. His Excellency Umaru has approved the immediate and comprehensive treatment of all victims at no cost. To ensure the most advanced care for the most critical cases, the government of Niger State has begun the process of evacuating several affected victims to National Hospital, Gwagwalada Hospital and FMC Jabi. This directive and full coverage of the cost applies to all locations where victims of this devastating incident has taken place, both in Agege, Bida and Katcha Local Government. No victim or family should bear any financial responsibility. Some of the victims with minor injuries have already been treated in our peripheral hospital and they have been discharged home. Coordinated emergency response was initiated immediately when this incident happened. The State Ministry of Health and our State Emergency Management Agency are in constant coordination with the Katcha Local Government, Bida Local Government Management, and the management of FMC Bida and General Hospital Bida to ensure a seamless and effective medical response. We are mobilizing all the needed responses and resources to facilitate the speed evacuation of this patient who have spent the first 24 hours that are critical. Essential items and commodities have also been prepositioned. Like you can see, the vehicle that came with us came with these essential commodities and drugs and worth over 10 million naira. The Federal Medical Center, under the leadership of Dr. Abakar Usman, has shown the necessary leadership by providing the emergency support and services within the first 24 hours. Logistics support has also come from our well-meaning Nigerite. In collaboration with our partners, especially Honorable Seidu Musa Abdul, representing Bida Katcha Federal Constituency, who has provided tremendous support to ensure that these patients are evacuated. Ambulances have been prepositioned to evacuate these patients, like you can see, to Jabi, Gogolada, and National Hospital. The human cause of this incident is staggering and heartbreaking. We have confirmed so far that 28 victims have been buried. They have been given a dignified mass burial, which was conducted last night in Katcha Local Government. Furthermore, we are saddened by the subsequent deaths in other hospitals. So far, 23 patients has been evacuated and brought to FMC Bida. Out of these 23 patients, we have sadly lost 4. 17 of them are currently here at various degree of burns, from 70 to 90%, and this has necessitated the required evacuation to burn centers. We are using the local media houses, community network, traditional and religious institutions to urge everyone who was at the scene of this incident and sustained any form of injury to make themselves available. However, those with minor injuries can be treated free of charge, either at the primary health care center or in peripheral hospital like secondary or tertiary hospital. It is important that at this critical moment that we prevent this unforeseen complication that might be arising from these individuals who for some reason decided to stay at home. Let me also state categorically that while fire has been successfully extinguished and normalcy returned to this area, this incident is a stark reminder of the danger posed by poor state of federal roads. We will continue to intensify our advocacy to the federal government of Nigeria to ensure urgent remedial actions on this notorious road to prevent further occurrence. In conclusion, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is important that we mourn with you, we stand with you, we are committed to supporting you through this difficult time. The government of Niger State urge all residents to stay clear of the locations where this tanker falls and also reject urge to scoop content of spilled tankers. Our response, however, will remain robust, compassionate, and we pray for the soul of the departed. May Almighty Allah forgive them their sins and grant them al-Jannah to Fidausi.
Nade zanen da shi pipe zuwa asibiti FMC Bida ga ke lo asibiti Umaru Sanda hospital na shi Bida bana ke da layar to ya gunci na ji kakai a cikin layar badaya daga ba gwamnatin nan jihar Nuci Muhammadu Umaru Bago be duna da fe be nusa asibiti na naji a lokakan da nan ya dai su tutu ejin daya eti etu na jalo be ku kikina parai yabo ga tsaza ne ben yi badano